Hello, I'm Karen and welcome to Fully Fashionista's The Tourist Capsule. When we were making the video, Stylin the Journey, it gave me opportunity to sit in the driver's seat of that gorgeous 1967 Beaumont. While in that vehicle, it got me to thinking about how much I love to pack up a suitcase and go away for a few days. When I do so, it always leads to that age-old question, what should I pack? Well, as I thought about it, I thought maybe I'm asking the wrong question. Maybe what I need to ask is, what do I need to create? Easy enough said? My tourist capsule. Fully Fashionista explored capsule wardrobing a few months ago in our video called Stop Closet Chaos, Start Styling Your Statement. If you'd like to watch that video, the link to that video, as well as Stylin the Journey, is listed in the video description below. So what do I need to create? Well, let's take a look at the trip that I'm going to be going on. Well, this is a pretend trip. I really don't have one planned right now. But my friends and I on our pretend trip will be doing some boutique shopping, we'll be going to some theater, and we'll be touring a winery or two. So now I have to say, what do I need to create? Well, I need a tourist capsule that will let me do all those things in style. I did that by packing in a denim jacket, a black t-shirt, an off-white t-shirt, a black dress, one skirt, black canvas sandals, a straw hat, a straw handbag, 2 pairs of hoop earrings, and 1 necklace. Now, before we go any further, I have to remind our viewers that I did say we were going to try some new video techniques here at Fully Fashionista going forward, and we're trying one of those techniques today. While the video quality may not be perfect, we're kind of happy with what we've produced today for our very first attempt. And without further ado, let's bring on the Fully Fashionista models who are going to show us 6 looks that we put together using our tourist capsule wardrobe. It's day 1 as our models meet up for a day of sightseeing and a picnic lunch in the park. Now, the black dress is perfectly well stated, nice and simple, and that skirt with the t-shirt with a knot at the waist will lend beautifully to that day of being whimsical and playful. Now, we need to talk about this straw handbag. This straw handbag is one of the pieces I love having in my wardrobe because it has a drawstring closure and it is just that, a handbag. I always make sure that I put a purse organizer in it before using it for the day. It also gives space in it for putting a jacket or some small purchases that will be made, maybe even today, by our models as they go along their way. Following a very busy day of sightseeing and that lovely picnic lunch, the models made their way back to the hotel for a quiet evening and dinner so that they could be well rested for day 2. Today's schedule, a theater matinee and boutique shopping. Statements are styled for day 2. The model on the left has chosen to take that off-white t-shirt, put it over the black dress, and put a rosebud knot in it to the right side. She's also opted to use the shorter handles on the handbag, giving the handbag more of a purse feel. The model on the right has selected that off-white t-shirt also and simply tucked it in that lovely handkerchief hem skirt. Now, handkerchief hem skirts are just a great way to add length. If you're like me and you don't have a lot of height, they do help you look taller. And just look at those sandals. I absolutely love the sandals. Well, they're off and going. Day 3, winery tour, the final day of this getaway. And in this one, the model on the left has opted to wear the black dress with some different accessories. We've used the same hoop earrings throughout, but in this one, we've switched out the hoop earrings to match the finish on the fish skeleton necklace that she's decided to wear. Now, the model on the right has simply taken that black t-shirt, tucked it in that lovely handkerchief hem skirt, and you'll notice they're both wearing denim jackets. It's going to be a long day. Jackets on, off, and on again. But that is absolutely no problem. They have that amazing straw handbag with them. They simply roll up the denim jacket and put it in and take it out when it's needed again. We truly hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we have putting it together for you. If you have enjoyed the tourist capsule, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment in the comments section below. And if you haven't subscribed to Fully Fashionista yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss any of our upcoming videos. Videos are posted the 1st and 3rd Friday each month. Until we meet again on that next Friday, this is Karen for Fully Fashionista, reminding you to style your statement every day.